Hey guys, all right, today's Wednesday. That means there's only a few days left. You've almost made it through your elementary experience. So let's see what we have to do today. Unit 1, more subtracting of fractions, different denominators. So you got to figure that one out. Unit 2, it says a poster is 66 and 5/100 centimeters high. 35 and 4/10 centimeters long. What is the difference? So what is the difference? That means you're finding the answer to the subtraction problem, right? That's how you find difference. It says, so this is one of those that we kind of struggled with. It's just asking you, it's not asking you to find the answer. It's just asking you if the answer is going to be bigger or smaller than this factor. So when you multiply this by 2/3, is it going to be bigger or smaller? Now, this sign it's going to be greater than, right? Because whenever it's eating the left side, it's greater than. It's like saying the first number is greater than the second number. So that's a greater than sign. This sign right here is a less than sign, so it looks like an L. And this is equal to. So the question is your answer going to be bigger than 1 3/5, smaller than 1 3/5, or the exact same thing as 1 3/5? Unit 4. It's one of those where you're going to have 3 answers in it again. So the first one is just 16 times 1. That gets rid of 2 options right off the bat. 16 times 1/10 and 16 times 1/100. Unit 5, you are going to divide 6/10 by 6/100. Hi, Ziggy. Yeah, sure, I'll go on a walk. Give me a second. I'm almost finished here. Okay, so you'll remember. Sorry, guys. So remember, the divisor here has a decimal. Are you allowed to have a decimal in the divisor? You got to figure that out. Figure out what you have to do there. And then once you determine where this decimal goes, it helps you determine where this decimal goes. Then you can figure the answer from there. Toby spent 40 minutes studying for a spelling test. Sarah studied 3 times as long as Toby. How long did Sarah study for? So you're gonna have to figure out how long. The first thing I like to do is reread the question and say, who studied longer? That helps you determine if your answer is going to be bigger or smaller than 40. That right there might help you get the answer without even having to do math. And you get lucky like that sometimes with multiplication. Or, sorry, multiple choice. Unit 7, many sequins, or how many sequins will she have with 5 hats? So you can read the table, try to figure out the rule from hats to sequins, and then if that rule holds true for the first 3 relationships, then you just have to follow that rule with 5. Looks like every time the sequence is larger, so that usually points to 2 operations. Figure out which operation and then apply that rule to 5. And then unit 8, honestly, if you didn't watch the videos, this would be really difficult. It's difficult anyways. You got to try to remember the rules for each club, and then you're going to find the answer. I'm going to give you a hint. There's 3 answers, okay? Quadrilateral just means it's a 4-sided polygon. Rectangles need 90-degree angles and 2 groups of equal sides. Squares need right angles and all equal. Parallelogram just means you have 2 pairs of lines that are parallel to each other. Rhombus means all 4 sides are equal, and trapezoid means you only have 1 pair of parallel lines. So remember, there's 3 answers. Try your best. Check the next video where you're checking your answers, and good luck. And ladies and gentlemen, Thursday, Friday after this, and that's it. I'm proud of you guys. All right, check your answers.